In this video, I want to share my early retirement solution. It's a simple, proven way you can make more money starting today and position yourself for early retirement. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I was able to retire early at the age of only 50, and it's one of the best things I've ever done. Even if you love your job, and yes, some people do, I cannot overemphasize how cool it is to be able to have complete control of your schedule and always have both the free time and the money to do the things you want to do when you want to do them. I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their job. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments section, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So I don't know your numbers, everybody's are different, but take a minute and figure out how much money you will need coming in each month to be able to retire early. Be clear on exactly what that number is. It's so much easier if you do have a well-defined goal. Then take a close look at what I suggest is the best way to reach that goal. It is my #1 recommended income stream. It's an online side hustle that can help you create true financial freedom, both time and money freedom. It's something where you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. It's an affiliate marketing opportunity. And if you're new to the term, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. It can be super simple if you build the right affiliate offer. I've done affiliate marketing for years. It is my favorite business model. The challenge is that there are affiliate offers available for almost everything you can think of, and it can be difficult to find the right one to promote. One of the things to be aware of is that many affiliate offers are just not that good. Some are junk. Many I don't even want my name associated with. I'm still amazed at some of the crap you see on some of the affiliate networks. And as for actually making money and doing it fast, many affiliate offers pay out small one-time commissions of just a few percent. And that means you would have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant income. Well, unless you are already an experienced online marketer and you have a large email list, that's going to be tough. So don't fall for the hype. Odds are you are not going to make a large number of sales each day, especially in the beginning. And then one more challenge to be aware of is that affiliate offers that cost a lot of money. Here too, unless you are an experienced marketer with a large list, it will be tough to make significant money with them too. So here is my recommended income stream. It is the very business I build. It's super simple and it's ideal for both beginner marketers and those with experience too. And yes, it is super affordable. It's something you can do in minimal time whenever it's convenient for you. No experience is needed. It's all done online. And thanks to a simple marketing system, you can work this side hustle from wherever you want to be in just minutes per day. It's very affordable. You can get paid big commissions every week by direct deposit, and it pays out long-term, passive, recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month from the sales you make each day. I know you will love that. It's one of the keys to my early retirement solution. With our business, the math is easy. You will know exactly how many sales you need to reach your monthly income goal. And to help you do that, we provide excellent training and support. It's the best I've seen. We have live Zoom calls 6 days a week. We have an extensive online training system that you can access 24/7. And we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love our community atmosphere. And best of all, when you join our team, I will be your personal mentor and coach. And I will share everything that's working so well for us and our team and how it can do the same for you too. So do not make the mistake of trying to go it alone. It's so much easier when you have someone showing you the way. You will be amazed at how simple it is to create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day and position yourself for early retirement. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll talk soon.